Think about this. When you are building a house, what do you need? Bricks, wood, cement, and many other building materials, correct? We also need to build our house, also known as our body, with various materials to grow, remain strong, and function properly. But instead of bricks or cement, our body or our house needs something special. What is this? Food. What we eat is not simply called food. It is called essential nutrients that nourish our body in a variety of ways. Today, for the 11th time, we will talk about the different kinds of nutrients, where they are derived from, and why they are important. When we are done talking about this, you'll look at food differently. What is food? Food is anything that gives our bodies the nutrients that make our bodies grow, fix themselves, and keep us going. It contains tiny parts called nutrients that do these things. Meet the nutrients. There are 6 major types of nutrients. Carbohydrates. Think of carbohydrates as the fuel for our bodies. It is similar to a car. To run it, we need fuel. Carbohydrates give us the energy to run, walk, think, and create. Food like rice, bread, and potatoes are loaded with carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are your body's reserve tank. Fats give you more energy than carbohydrates and support your organs. They also transport crucial vitamins into your body. Butter, oils, nuts, etc. are all good sources of fats. Proteins. Proteins are your body's building blocks. They let you grow, restore any tissue that has been damaged, and offer your muscles power. This protein feature comes with meats, fish, eggs, or beans. Vitamins are the spark plugs to our body. They help our body use the energy from the food we eat, and also help keep our skin, eyes, and bones healthy. Different foods have different types of vitamins, such as fruits and vegetables. Minerals are like the nails and screws in a house. They help build strong bones and teeth, and are also important for muscle function. Milk, cheese, and leafy greens have a lot of minerals. Water is essential for everything our body does. It helps digest food, absorb nutrients, and keep our body temperature cool. Having a variety of different foods ensures that we get all the nutrients needed to be healthy. This is called having a balanced diet. Because if our diets have just one nutrient but not all of them, we're not strong. We need all these different nutrients to keep us strong and healthy, just like in the example of the house. Different foods provide different nutrients, so they are grouped together. Cereal grains and products, rich in energy and vitamins. Pulses and legumes, high in protein and also energy. Milk and meat products, high in protein and also calcium. Fruits and vegetables. They give you vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fats and sugars. They give energy and fats that are necessary for our bodies to function properly. Each of these groups of foods does different things in our bodies. They are like a team, and each member of the team or food groups is important so that our bodies can get all the different nutrients they need. Food is important because it helps our bodies to work, but it also helps us to feel good emotionally and socially too. Food provides us with energy. It builds things in our body. It helps break things down in our body, and it helps keep the good things in our body. On the other hand, food also makes us feel good, loved, and connected with others, especially during celebrations or social times. In closing, food is much more than just something we eat. It is the fuel, the building blocks, the vitamins and minerals that support our body to be strong and stay healthy. After understanding the roles of different nutrients, it will help us make better choices about the food that we eat. Remember, a balanced diet from all food groups is the key to healthy living. The next time you sit down for a meal, think about it as feeding your body the right ingredients to keep it running smoothly, just like a well-built house.